What's up viewers, welcome to Ace Tuning Outdoors. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. In this video you're going to watch me rip around on my 2014 Honda CRF 250L. Stay tuned. The 250L is definitely a fun bike to off-road with, especially if you're an amateur rider like myself. The 250L definitely has plenty of power for off-road riding, not so much though for street riding. Almost got stuck in this section. If you plan to do a lot of off-roading with a bike like this, I strongly recommend getting a more aggressive off-road tire. So the performance mods I have done to this bike are a K&N airbox filter, a Yoshi RS4 exhaust from the motor back, a 305 big bore kit, and a Bazzaz standalone ECU. This is definitely one of my favorite spots on my property to ride. Watch as I fishtail through that area. I enjoy my Honda very much. It's a cheap, affordable enduro you can have lots of fun with. Well viewers, that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching, and get out there onto some trails with your ATV or your MX bike or your enduro yourselves. Bye for now.